Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add your gender on Tango. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tango app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap again on your profile icon. After that, tap on pencil-like icon, which is located at top right corner of your screen. Then you can see the option of gender, tap on it, then select your gender, next tap on set. After that you can see the option of tick like icon, tap on it. So this is how you can set your gender on Tango. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.